Hey, what's going on? It's your boy Dr. Travis Davis here with the PureMoney gang, and we're ready to teach you guys some information on BitClout. And when we say gang, we're saying gather and networking. Genuinely, that's what we're about. So I hope you guys are enjoying this information that I'm bringing to you about BitClout, and my main man Teddy back there saying what's up to all of you guys too. But again, I hope that you're enjoying this information. You've hit the subscribe button, you've liked a couple videos, but we got more in store for you today.
Just different.
Yeah, you already know what it is. Recession-proof, baby. I keep a couple in the bag, homie, I ain't gotta brag. Even when the hater try to doubt me, I just got another contract. Watch the dollars follow back. Let me tell you one thing about me. Said I like my money pure.
And I want to give you an update to BitClout. It's something that if you haven't checked out yet, I highly advise you guys to check it out. Now, I did one video previously and I want to go over some updates of what's been happening with BitClout. It's definitely been getting a lot easier to use as the numbers have been increasing, but of course there's been a lot of chatter back and forth. Is this real? Is it not real? Is it a scam? And honestly, you know, I like to give real opinions and the truth. We don't know yet. We really don't know. I've heard from different lawyers on ClubHouse talking about it. And then, you know, you always have the entrepreneur view, whereas where I come from in the space that I'm in. And, you know, you take that risk there that you want to get in early, you know, when the doubters always have something to say, like, this is the opportunity that you get into it and they'll fix the patches, right? And I'm not saying unload your bank account in it, because I'm definitely not telling anyone to do that. But look, I would highly advise you guys to, you know, again, if you have like $10 to $100, I personally did $1,000, but you know, if you don't have that type of liquid to just, you know, be willing to, if it is a scam, let it go, then don't do it, right? Do like something small, $10, $50, $100 max is what I advise. And that has a possibility to explode. So again, don't jump into this thing thinking that, you know, everything is good to go and it's set in stone. It's not, but it is something to get in as an early adapter. Now in this video, I'm going to show you guys very quickly what BitClout looks like on both the cell phone view and the computer view. So if you guys see right here, you can actually just go to bitclout.com now and it'll actually bring you up to date. Now this is like the new social media, okay? So with your social media, you can get paid on things that you post, or if somebody just likes the person who you are. Now when you first get in here, as soon as you log in with your name, you literally have a coin. Now, immediately what you want to do, if you don't plan to, you know, really do something with your coin, change this number right here all the way to 99. Okay, it's very important that you turn that number up to 99 so people don't buy your coins and you don't have a share of your own coins, right? So turn that all the way up, and that way people don't want to buy a coin, because with that number, as people buy the coin, it gives you coins or it gives them coins. So by it being up at 99, they don't get any coins, so they're not going to purchase your coin. So that's the very first thing that you want to do until you get your stuff set up, situated, and you know everything that's going on. So do that. Then immediately what I want you to do is come and hit update profile. Okay, that's as soon as you log in. Then you can come back and fill out your description. Of course, your username is going to be what your username is. Okay, once you do that, now you need to go get yourself wherever your Bitcoin is. If your Bitcoin is located in like Coinbase, which mine is, and you would go over to Coinbase where your Bitcoin is. If you don't have Bitcoin, I'll put the link to Coinbase below. You do get $10 of Bitcoin when you do use that link down below here in this video. But wherever your Bitcoin is, it could be in a Cash App or it could be in PayPal. You can go there and send the Bitcoin over to BitClout, okay? So when you send it over to BitClout, you want to make sure that you come here, and this is going to be on your profile. You're going to have a BitClout address. So this address right here, this is where you want to send your Bitcoin to, okay? Once your Bitcoin comes here, and it is case sensitive, guys, so you're going to have your own address. Do not send it to my address, as I always say, but you're going to have your own address, case sensitive. Send the BitClout there. Now if you guys want to send some money to my BitClout address, I ain't mad at you, all right? So now once the Bitcoin comes to this address right here, you're going to click refresh. It's going to show up right here. If you already have some BitClout like I do, it shows up right there. And then you want to come over here with your Bitcoin, okay? So you sent Bitcoin to this address. Now you want to send the Bitcoin to BitClout. You can hit the max right here and it'll send the max amount of Bitcoin over to BitClout. Then it's going to convert it, and boom, there you go. And you literally have all of your money has been switched from Bitcoin to BitClout. Once you do that, the very first thing that you want to do is buy some of your own coin. So you could come right here to your profile and then hit buy, and you could purchase some of your own coins. Then you're going to come up here to the search and put in RecessionProof and PureMoney, okay? And then go ahead and purchase some of those coins. Now, the last time that I did this video, guys, I believe RecessionProof coin might have been at like $114. As you guys can see now, it's at $137. And PureMoney, it might have been at like $30 or $40, I can't remember, but now it's currently at $54. So you guys can see how it works. I'm going to make more videos to really break down the different things that you can do with BitClout. All right, now I want to show you guys what it looks like from the cell phone view. So if you guys can see right here, we're going to literally, I'm already here. You're going to go to BitClout.com and you can do all of the same stuff from your phone. Same thing by going to Buy BitClout. Okay, as you can see, the address is there. You want to again make sure case sensitive, and you would follow the exact same steps. Now, as you guys can see right here with BitClout, literally it is a social media app. We can say, hey, I'm teaching about BitClout on YouTube. Alright, and we're gonna post that right there, and literally that's what it's all about, being a social media network just like that. And it's so fun, guys. But if you really take this seriously, you can literally make it so you have your own economy that you're building right here, and that's the beauty of it. You might say something wrong one day and your coin drops all the way down, or you might say the best thing ever and it shoots all the way up. So I'm hoping that I said some great things to you all today. Again, I'm going to be making more videos about the BitClout platform and everything that we're doing with it. So go ahead, and if I did a good job, I want you to like this video, subscribe to my channel, share it with somebody else, and then go and buy yourself some of the RecessionProof and PureMoney coins. All the links will be below so you can easily access this, as well as I'll put the link for my ClubHouse group in the links below. Okay, so RecessionProof, we're gonna have more conversations on ClubHouse about it. ClubHouse is something that literally they're talking about this thing every day, so you can get a lot more education about it if you were to visit ClubHouse as well. So hopefully, again, I've given you guys information on BitClout and you guys are ready and interested in signing up.
You already know what it is. RecessionProof, baby. I keep a couple in the bag, homie, I ain't gotta brag. Even when the hater try to doubt me, I just got another contract. Watch the dollars follow back. Let me tell you one thing about me. Said I like my